Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to delete and clear search history in Google Chrome. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do if you don't want to go and have the record of what you've gone and searched for on your computer. Maybe you do want others to go and see it, so let's go and get started. What you need to do is go and open up Chrome, as I've done here. Just remember, once you do this you won't be able to recover it. To make sure you're sure about it, then what you need to do is go to the top right and click on the three dots in Chrome, and you need to go down this list and find the option for history. Hover your cursor over it, and what you can do is go and click on history to the left. You can then go and browse through it. If there's anything you want to save you can, but go and delete it. Come over to the right and click on Delete Browsing Data, and you'll be brought here at the top. You can go and choose a time frame. I'll do all time, and you can then choose what you want to delete. I'll do it all, and you can then tap on Delete Data, and that's it. Go and wait, and it's now being cleared and deleted.